I have already mentioned once, when we talked about repairs, that in some cases, when the circuit in your radio equipment fails, it can be fixed by replacing the inductance coil or repairing it. However, sometimes we are unable to find the right coil. Maybe there is no core of the right size, or its magnetic permeability isn't good. In situations like this, we can compensate for the decrease in inductance by increasing the capacitance of the circuit. Here we can take one of the two ways. The first one would be adjusting the circuit to resonance frequency by selecting the right capacitors, gradually increasing their capacity using the tuning capacitor for adjustment. This would require that you use a frequency meter or an oscilloscope. You need to track changes in the circuit's frequency using the oscilloscope's scale until you reach the required value. If you can't measure the frequency or you don't know it, it is possible to change the circuit's adjustment frequency based on the increase in the output of high-frequency amplifier. In this case, all you need to do is connect the oscilloscope to the output of the amplifier. In most cases, the highest frequency of measured voltage allowed by your multimeter would be insufficient for such measurements, which is why I recommend using the oscilloscope. Besides, it would help you to compare the signal on input and output of the block and see if there are any distortions. If the adjustments you have performed are correct, the signal on output would not be in any way different from that on input, and the magnitude of the signal will be at its maximum. We have thus discussed a very important skill in repairing radio equipment, that is, two circuit adjustment options.